Welcome back. What you will now want to do is to invite individuals to this specific space. You can do this by clicking on this link that says Invite to Members, or you can go to See All Members. You're going to see a button that says Add Members. And when you click this button, you'll see that one thing you can do is you can import a CSV to add members to this specific area. What you can also do is to tick this default setting so that everyone that's a part of the space group that this space is in will be added to this specific space. Again, this is not something that you need to have turned on. Now, when you are notifying specific individuals, you can make it so that they're going to be notified by ticking this button. Now, another way to create access to this specific space is to create a specific link. And typically, if you're going to give people access to your space and you're going to do it through a shopping cart, you will be delivering a link to them. And you're going to go to your space group setting. And you're going to see this area. What you're then going to do is to go to this drop-down menu. You're then going to click on Add Members. What you're then going to see is there's going to be an area here that says Invite Them First. You're going to click that link. And you're going to notice this area where you can create a link. Now, the other way that you can access that link is to click on your space area. What you're then going to see is that there's an area here that says Invite Member. That's also going to bring you to this screen. Now, once you're at this screen, you're going to click this link that says Share an Invitation Link. And you're going to give this invitation link a name. Now, it's at this point when you can designate which spaces are going to be part of this invitation link. In this case, we can choose one specific space, or we can choose multiple spaces if that is what we want for this invitation link. Now, for this case, we can make the designation based on the space groups, or optionally, we can leave this area turned off to this invitation link. If you have tags, you can have the individual tagged when they are coming in through this specific link. And when the individual becomes part of a specific area, you can designate where they're going to land when they first become a member of the space. And so we can make a default area for them to land in once they become part of the space. Once you do that, you can then click Create. You will then have a link in order to invite people to your individual space. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.